as we know, all of us, we are talkative people. We are relative people. We are not literacy. We are not writer people. We are not reader people. We are not listener people. We are not author people. But we are talkative people. So we have impact. Our relative people, in my opinion, there's more impact. There are more impact. There are more impact of the society, or impact of the education. So my point is, if we are in our future, the orality with as an impact, as our education, as our future, as a culture, as a tradition.
The orality and the literacy are important to develop the knowledge in Somalia. And I have 2 points or 3 to say that when we need to develop the knowledge, we have to discuss, so that orality must be there. Then we have to, when there is something wrong, we have to correct it. Then there's orality. But the main thing that we need is literacy. We need to read more things. You know, we have to develop the country. And I want to tell you one thing. We are talking the country. We are talking about the future of Somalia. The future of Somalia is not less than the president. The future is the most important thing.
And as I believe, literacy and orality are very important side of future education of Somalia. There are 2 things that are very important and can't separate. We can't separate. Because when you read more, when you tell more, I believe. So there is when our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the first ayah he gets from the Allah, it was Iqra, means read. So that's why I said to you, literacy is priority than orality.
A good leader is a good reader, because the more you read, you understand the contemporary issues that are taking place within the world. Why do we have poor leaders and yet they have attained the highest level of literacy? Am I got right? A good leader is a good reader is a good leader. My question is, if such is the case, if that statement is right, why do we have leaders who have attained the highest degree of literacy, but they are poor leaders? What brings about that?
Have PhD holder, master holders, and so on. But why, if the statement which says a good leader is a good leader, it's true, why our leaders are not good? I think the point is that our leaders, they know how to read, but they don't. They are busy on their stomach. But according to other neighboring countries, neighboring countries, I read one of the presidents of our neighboring countries. I don't want to mention his name, but they say he spent most of his time reading books, and that country is the most developed country in Africa. I don't want to mention that.
That's the one, of course.
I think that his name was, I think, Paul Kagame.
That's it.
He was Kagame. I think that was, but I don't know the country that he did.